Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create animated videos in Google Gemini. Let's get straight into it. Open Gemini and click into the Ask Gemini input field at the bottom of the screen. Click the plus icon inside the field to open the Tools menu. A vertical menu appears showing several creation options. Select Create Video from the menu. The Create Videos interface opens with a Try It button. Click that to close the modal and reach the main generation area. The prompt field and generation controls appear in the center of your screen. Click into the Describe Your Video text area. Type your prompt describing exactly what you want the animation to show. Be specific about motion, style, duration, and visual elements. For this first example, I'm requesting a 5-second looping motion graphic with 3 flat vector shapes morphing into one another on a plain background. Click the Submit button below the text area and the video generation process starts. A progress indicator appears while the video renders. After a few seconds, your generated video appears in the output area as a static frame with playback controls underneath. Click the play button on the video to preview it full size. The video plays through showing the result. Now click back into the Describe Your Video field to generate another one. Enter your next prompt. Keep your instructions clear and mention any text you want included exactly as it should appear. For this example, I'm asking for an animated title card with the words Field Notes drawing on stroke by stroke in a thin serif on a warm white background. Click Submit again to generate the second video. The previous video stays visible above while the new one renders. Once it appears on screen, click the play button to watch it. The animation plays in the output area showing how the text draws on. After it finishes playing, click into the prompt field once more. Type your third prompt. This time, I'm requesting a 6-second isometric animation of a low-poly house building itself piece by piece in soft pastel colors. Click Submit to generate the final video. The third generated video appears in the output area. Click Play to watch the full animation. When you're happy with a video, click the Download button at the bottom right of the video player to save it. A download dialog appears with a file name field at the top. Type a name for your file. I'm calling this first one Video 1. Then click the Save button. The video saves to your Downloads folder as an MP4 file. Now click the Download button on your second video. The Download dialog opens again. Enter a file name for the second video and click Save. That video saves as well. Click the folder icon in the download notification that appears at the bottom of the screen. Your Downloads folder opens showing both saved video files ready to use. Keep your prompts detailed and specific about movement, pacing, and visual style. Gemini responds better to concrete descriptions than vague requests. If a generated video doesn't match what you asked for, try rewording your prompt with more precise instructions about camera behavior, colors, or timing. Each video generates independently, so you can create as many variations as you need in the same chat without affecting previous results. The videos save as standard MP4 files, so they'll work in any editor or player. And that's how to create animated videos in Google Gemini. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.